Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So you can see the view. Today weather is good and I am outside just coming from my work, not for travel because it's Monday and everyone has to work. So I will show you the location first, okay? Because this is very beautiful. Small river is also there. I will show you, it's looking beautiful. You can see this is very small river. It's like that. Weather is cold. I have here jacket also. This is complete garden and I am walking for my route. But although the water is very dirty from inside, if you can see, it's completely green. Grass is grown there and it's like something bad smell is also there and it's completely dirty. I don't know why, but see what is this. So I think sticky material. This is ducks also. I don't know the ducks or what. These are inside the water. It's coming here. She's enjoying and dancing. They are coming near to me. They know they are on video. Now they are going to their home, I think. Shh. They all going together. This one is going alone and these two are together, but she's waiting for them. Oh, it's nice. She will go to them. What was she doing? They are thinking something. One more is there. One more I found. She is alone. Alone bird. But it's complete grass inside. If you can see this, it's completely grass. I have zoomed the video to see her or him. Their activities, how they are doing. So I just captured all these moments and I showed you that this is like garden and nothing else. River. It's beautiful flowers also here. I also saw something. This is like a dam, small dam. Very load of water coming from this side. It's like fall, waterfalls, and water is going from this side. You can see.